off. Hi, I'm gonna make some baba ganoush. Hello, I'm gonna be making some baba ganoush off these roasted. This is roasted zucchini, and this is roasted eggplant. Okay, first I'm going to wash my hands real quick. Well, not real, like 20 seconds. Okay, I think that's 20 seconds. So I have a blender. Usually we put these through strainers, but I'm not going to do that. So what I did was I roasted these with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil and a little bit of salt, pepper. There's no more pepper in there. And this, I put it on an open fire. This came, and so I peeled it, and that's the peeling for it, and you don't want to use that. Okay, and this I just took off the peelings off of that. And so I love baba ganoush. So I'm going to put it in my blender. So that's one large zucchini. Can you see that? One large zucchini. Stick that in there. So after it's already roasted and peeled, you discard that. You don't need that. Put that aside. And then in an open flame, I just use the fire right there. And then I roasted that. And that was it. So I'm going to go ahead and take this eggplant and stick it in there. Okay? This is a really good vegan dish and a nice dip. So I'm going to take my can. I just slightly strained it. It's low sodium garbanzo beans. I'm going to put that in there. Okay? And then I have about a good tablespoon of parsley, flat leaf parsley. So the head of that. I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. Okay. Then I'm going to take my zest from one lemon. See? One lemon. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead, take the seeds out. Then I'm going to go ahead and squeeze one lemon. Oops, make sure there's no seeds in it. Well, there's a seed in there. There's a seed in there. Okay, half of a whole. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit more lemon in there. I like mine real lemony. Alrighty.
Music for your next video? Then you need to check out our list. Amazing new music added daily at one single license.
So I took as many seeds as I could out. Okay.
For all creatives.
Alright. So So when you have a tahini, you just get a stick and you just mix it, see? And then you have some tahini there. So this is basically, sesame seeds. So I'm going to take and put like, I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of that in there. About a good 3 tablespoons, 1/4 of a, yeah. Okay, and put a dash of some smoked paprika. And then I have some coriander, so I'm going to put just a little bit. And then a little bit of cumin, my cumin. Then I have some and basically I put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, put it in a small skillet, and then I cover it, okay? And then you peel it. Ow! It's hot. You take the it's hot. Or you can eat it like that. Yeah, that's straight out of the pan. It's really hot. Okay, put that in there. Ah. Okay, put that in there. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is cover this up. Pop this off. Wow, salt. You want to put it in a plate. Now try to make your baba ganoush. Oops. Let's try it. A pita would be so much better. But I have these chips, so I'm going to go ahead and try it with the chip. That's how you make a baba ganoush. Baba ganoush! I didn't put any extra virgin olive oil. You can add it if you want, but it's already soft. And it's delicious, very flavorful, and it's easy to make. Alright, talk to you later. This will be going in a bigger bowl.